I will now show you how you create a report in Virtu's website. If you have not logged in, you have to do so first. And then click on Create Report. Then start to open number 1, Report. Give it a name, and this name should be clear, concise, and contain a unique ID number, like this. Next, you can link this report to a project, like any of mine, for example this one, or if you have not created any project yet, do that later. It's not necessary to link a report to a project, but that could be convenient if you have several reports for, let's say, a school or a class. Then collect all your reports to a project. You can see the project like an umbrella under which you have several reports. You can add more reports to a project whenever you want. Next, you have to fill in the deploy and retrieve date for the rack. Start to fill in the start date for this report. And this was the 1st of April. Later, when you have or want to add your observations, what you have found on the disks, you have to add the retrieve date. And that was, in my case, the 24th of September 2019.